In this video, we are going to see how to change seller name of event. It helps user to transfer event to other seller. Now let's navigate to Manage Auction of My Account page. Draft, Published, Closed, Archive option contains Change Seller Name of Event option. Now click on Publish option. Step 1 Event Auction. Here we have Comic, Baseball, and Magic Cards event. Click on Manage Auction of Event. Before assign event to seller, let's confirm this event is not present in Seller 1 account. Here is Seller 1 account. Click on Publish Event page. Here we can see event is not added on this page. Now let's move back to Admin page. Step 2 Change Event Seller Name. Now click on Event option. Here we can see Manage Event Owner option. Click on it. Now select Seller Name. Here we are selecting Seller 1. Click on OK button. Event is assigned to Seller 1 successfully. Step 3 Check Event Assign. To verify that, let's shift it to Seller 1 account. Here we can see I have login Seller 1 account. We are on My Account of Event Publish Event page. As we can see here, Publish page is empty. Click on Publish Event. Here we can see event is assigned to Seller 1 user.